Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and build a stable future. If you struggle with saving money or are searching for a way to create a financial plan that allows you to invest, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a personal budget that helps you save smartly and invest effectively. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a personal budget? A personal budget is more than just a financial plan. It's the blueprint of your money management. Think of it as a map that guides your spending and saving decisions. Without a budget, you risk overspending or neglecting your savings entirely. The main purpose of a budget is to give every dollar you earn a specific job. This job might be paying for your basic needs, supporting your lifestyle, or building your future through savings and investments. Key components of a personal budget. 1. Monthly income. This includes your salary and any other sources of income like freelance work, side hustles, or rental income. Knowing exactly how much you earn helps you set realistic spending and saving goals. 2. Essential expenses. These are the non-negotiables, things you absolutely must pay for every month, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 3. Discretionary expenses. These are things you choose to spend on, like eating out, shopping, or subscriptions. While these add joy to your life, they are also the first areas you should look at when trying to save. A well-planned budget ensures that you're not just spending money randomly, but are instead making deliberate choices aligned with your financial priorities. Section 2. Why is budgeting important for investing? Let's talk about why budgeting is so critical when it comes to investing. Investments require money, and that money doesn't just appear magically. It needs to come from your savings. Without a budget, it's almost impossible to figure out how much you can realistically save for investment purposes. Key benefits of budgeting for investing. 1. Clarity on your financial situation. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income, expenses, and savings potential. This clarity helps you set achievable investment goals. 2. Consistent saving habit. Budgeting ensures you're consistently setting aside money each month for investments rather than waiting for leftover funds. 3. Reduced financial stress. Knowing exactly where your money is going reduces anxiety and allows you to focus on growing your wealth through investments. Think of budgeting as the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, the house can't stand. Similarly, without a proper budget, you can't build a strong investment portfolio. Section 3. Steps to create a personal budget. Now let's break it down step by step. Creating a budget may seem overwhelming, but it's actually straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Calculate your total income. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your main salary, side gigs, rental income, or even irregular sources like freelance work. Write them down in one place to get a complete picture of how much money you're working with each month. If your income fluctuates, calculate an average based on the past 6 months. Step 2. Track your expenses. For one full month, keep a record of every expense. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook to jot down what you spend. This step is crucial because most people underestimate their spending habits. Tracking includes small things like coffee runs, online subscriptions, and impulse buys. These hidden expenses can add up quickly. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you've tracked your spending, divide your expenses into 2 categories. 1. Essential expenses. These are non-negotiable. Examples include rent, utilities, insurance, groceries, and transportation. 2. Non-essential expenses. These are things you enjoy but can live without, such as dining out, shopping, or entertainment. Categorizing your expenses helps you identify where your money is going and where you can cut back. Step 4. Set your saving goal. Decide on a savings target that fits your long-term goals. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities like rent and groceries, 30% for discretionary spending like entertainment, 20% for savings and investments. But remember, this is just a guideline. Adjust it based on your income and financial goals. If investing is your priority, aim to save more than 20%. Step 5. Adjust and cut unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your discretionary expenses and identify areas where you can save. Ask yourself, do I really need all these subscriptions? Can I eat out less and cook at home instead? Are there free or cheaper alternatives to my current habits? The goal isn't to eliminate all enjoyment from your life, It's about finding a balance that aligns with your goals. Step 6. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account as soon as you receive your income. This ensures you're prioritizing savings over spending. Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay every month. It's non-negotiable. Automation removes the temptation to spend and makes saving a consistent habit. Section 4. Tips for staying on track. Once you've set up your budget, it's important to stick to it. Here's how. 1. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or a simple spreadsheet can make it easy to track your spending and savings. 2. Review your budget regularly. At the end of each month, evaluate whether you've met your savings goals and adjust your budget as needed. 3. Stay disciplined. Avoid impulse purchases by sticking to your budget plan. Before buying anything, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. 4. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. For example, if you save an extra $50 this month, treat yourself to something small but meaningful. Section 5. Start investing your savings. Now that you've saved some money, it's time to put it to work. Start by learning about beginner-friendly investment options. Index funds. These are low-cost and diversified, making them perfect for beginners. Real estate crowdfunding. This allows you to invest in property without needing a large upfront amount. Bonds, safe and low-risk investments that provide steady returns. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are affordable and easy to buy and sell. Before investing, make sure you've built an emergency fund equal to 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This ensures you're financially secure even if unexpected situations arise. Conclusion. Creating a personal budget is the foundation of financial success. It helps you control your spending, save consistently, and invest in your future. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means prioritizing what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.